Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Shamil Kamsani, and in this video I'm going to explain about mixing and show you how it works by cooking recipe. But first, let's get started. Mixing is an operation in which two or more components are interspersed in space with one another. The objectives of mixing are to achieve a uniform distribution of the components by means of flow, and to increase homogeneity of a system by reducing non-uniformity in compositions. Regarding to the topic, I'm going to use hand mixer in this video. Hand mixer is one type of impeller mixer which consisting stationary vessel containing a moving stirrer, agitator, and pedal mounted on a rotating shaft. As you can see, the impeller works out to create a swirl and vortex formation onto the batter. It is due to increasing speed of rotation of the impeller. As the speed of rotation of impeller increases, the vortex deepens, and once it reaches the suction of the impeller, the power imparted to the liquid is suddenly reduced and air is drawn into liquid. You might want to add more red coloring to get a nice red color cake. In this case, I use spatula because the flour will be everywhere if I use the mixer. But of course, you can change it later. That's all for this video. Like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye!